Welcome everyone. Today's fear and greed is showing extreme fear in the market. The top news for this Monday include Grayscale reports 99% of SEC comment letters support spot Bitcoin ETF. Quote, the approval of each and every Bitcoin-linked investment product strengthens our arguments about why the U.S. market deserves a spot Bitcoin ETF, said CEO Michael Sonnensheim. According to Grayscale, roughly 33% of the letters questioned the lack of a spot BTC ETF in the U.S., given the SEC had already approved investment vehicles linked to Bitcoin futures, as was the case for ProShares and Valkyrie. The SEC's actions over the past 8 months have signaled an increased recognition of and comfort with the maturity of the underlying Bitcoin market, said Grayscale CEO. Educating regulators will help to mitigate risks, says Figment exec. Robert Ellison noted that a regulatory framework for staking is achievable because the concept is very easy to understand. Anonymous vows to bring Do Kwon's crimes to light. There is no doubt that there are many more crimes to be discovered in your trail of destruction, hacktivist group Anonymous said on its YouTube channel. Quote, Do Kwon, if you are listening, sadly, there is nothing that can be done to reverse the damage that you have done. At this point, the only thing that we can do is hold you accountable and make sure that you are brought to justice as soon as possible. Wall Street giant Goldman Sachs raising $2 billion to buy distressed Celsius assets. Financial services titan Goldman Sachs is reportedly raising $2 billion to purchase discounted assets from embattled crypto lending platform Celsius. According to a new report by CoinDesk, sources familiar with the matter say that Goldman Sachs is spearheading a group of investors in an effort to gobble up marked-down assets of Celsius in case the firm files for bankruptcy. An unnamed source familiar with the situation says that Goldman Sachs is determining whether there's interest from Web 3.0 crypto funds, traditional financial institutions with capital to deploy in funds that specialize in distressed crypto assets. Recent crypto bloodbath is not necessarily bad, regulators say. Crypto executives and regulators don't often see eye to eye, but they seem to agree that the recent crypto market turmoil could prove to be positive for the industry by helping filter out unsustainable projects and bad actors. At least that was the prevailing consensus at the inaugural .0 Forum, an invite-only meeting of investors and policymakers that took place in Zurich last week. Finally, Gensler labels Bitcoin a commodity as crypto prices stabilize. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler said Monday that Bitcoin was the only cryptocurrency he was prepared to publicly label a commodity, rather than a security. And that is all for today's news. Share your opinions in the comments below and drop a like. Check the links in the description for more details. See you tomorrow.